Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the quick add suggestions feature on Snapchat. So let's get straight into it. So here we are on Snapchat. And to begin, just go to the bottom of the screen and tap the message icon. And then head to the top right corner and tap the add friends icon here. So at the top, you will see a small section. And if you scroll down a little, you will find the quick add section. So here you can remove people from quick add individually by tapping X next to their name. For example, if I tap the X next to this person, you'll be prompted to give feedback, like so. But if you've removed someone by accident, then simply press the undo button to add them back to quick add. Now, if you want to completely disable quick add suggestions, then here's what you can try. From this screen, go to the top left corner and tap the downward arrow, and then tap on your Bitmoji profile picture to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. And then scroll down until you reach the privacy controls section. So here you will find the option that says See Me in Quick Add. So tap on it and you will see a screen explaining that Quick Add helps friends find each other in Snapchat and you may appear in someone's Quick Add list if you share mutual friends or connections. So to turn off quick add suggestions, then simply toggle the switch off like so. And doing so will make your account more private and remove quick add suggestions on Snapchat. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can remove quick add suggestions on Snapchat. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.